I'll tell you in a second, Elsmeyer. I, I, I'm happy. I talked to my sons just now. I just got off the phone with them, and their foster mom. And she's a wonderfully blessed woman in Jesus. She believes in Jesus. She believes God brought us all together, and we're going to be working as a family. You know, she's such a wonderful person. Like, she's just a wonderful person. Just beautiful, beautiful woman. And the boys are happy, and they're having a good time. So, oh, it brings so much relief to me that they're in good hands. They're in such wonderful hands. This woman is she's so nice. Like, and she's doing things that, wow. She's actually, like, my kids actually went to a party. You know, she's providing them with things that I can't do right now, which is nice. Because I'll just be honest, I'm feeling really, really, really sick today. I'm feeling sick. I'm very lethargic. Like, very lethargic. It's very low energy for me today. But I want to play. I want to play Stardew. You know, I know I'm like COVID negative last time I got checked. But I'll tell you, the last time I got COVID, it like killed my taste receptors and my smell. So I can't like taste or smell things. Like maybe 75% of my taste and smell is gone, and like I miss it. I miss being able to taste fucking things right. Did I sleep well? Oh yeah. No, I haven't gotten the results yet. I will. I think I'm just gonna make a call tomorrow. Like, I'm trying to be patient. I know probably things are backed up, too. You know, it's funny, the first test that comes back, though, is my COVID. You're negative. That was the only test I heard. No, I haven't gotten my nurse yet. I'm still waiting on my meeting about it. I'm still waiting on my meeting about it. But I am wondering about the results. I know on the 11th or 16th, I forgot. Let me see. Is it written right here? I wish Jason was up here. Shit. It's either the 11th or 16th. I have a gynecology appointment, so get my hoo-ha all scraped down. That'll be wonderful. Really don't want to do that. I hate getting pap smears. Don't you hate getting pap smears? And you know what? It would be appropriate for me to have like uterine cancer. It would be appropriate for me to get that, because Amberlynn Reed got it and Chantal got it, and since I'm part of the unholy trinity, as some people like to say. That's so blasphemous, by the way. You do too. I know. It's just, I don't want anyone down there other than my husband. Like, maybe he'll be really cute and I'll be like, wow, the whole time, you know? Yeah, they are so gross and intrusive. Especially when they use that cold metal speculum. Ugh, why don't they just outlaw those and just keep the fucking plastic ones? I know it hurts. And to the men who don't know what a speculum is, okay, this is the best way how I explain it. So a woman has a valve called a cervix, right? It's just a round circular thing with a little slit, okay? It's connected to the uterus, so where the babies stay in when you're pregnant, right? So basically what a speculum does is pretty much, you know, a car jack, right? The thing you jack up to like change your tire. Well, that pretty much is what a speculum does. It jacks open your cervix so they can scrape the inner lining of your uterus. And it's uncomfortable as hell. It hurts. And I don't like it. And you pretty much have to get that done every fucking year. And for me, the last time I got it was 2 years ago. So I'm kind of overdue. I'm kind of overdue. But a lot has happened. So I'm not looking forward to that. I know now that I don't know. That's what I know, is I don't know. Huh? Hi, Psychedelic Magdalena. You probably should have gotten it at 16. Get your pap smear done, girl. It might save your life. No, my blood test didn't come. I had uterine cancer. I had a hysterectomy once. You get that? You don't need PAPs anymore. Oh. Thank you, Lady Sinner. Wouldn't it hurt to have your uterus scraped? Yep. I'm sorry, Peggy. Yeah. I'm gonna be doing it this month. Oh. I hate them. They're always like, scooch down the table more. Right at the edge of it. Make sure your butt is pretty much hanging off. And you're up in the stirrups. Your legs are like this. Ow. Ow. Else my ow. Ah. Oh. That's another thing I need to do. I need to go to the fucking eye doctor. I'm like hella busy this month. And I don't want to be busy. But I guess I have to be. Because I'm an adult and I'm dying and I need to figure out why. Ah, fuck. My life is... I'm feeling like shit today. My pain level is at a maximum. I feel drugged up as shit because I had fucking Benadryl and Tylenol PM. I know I shouldn't have done it, but I did do it. Don't judge me. I did do it. Oh, wait, it wasn't Tylenol PM. It was NyQuil. Yeah, I had NyQuil with Benadryl because... with the NyQuil, I just wanted to sleep and I wanted that congestion gone. Because I've been dealing with fucking hay fever. And then with the Benadryl, I've been dealing with hay fever and I wanted the itching on my skin to stop. So today I'm like drowsy as fuck. Along with the drowsy as fuck, I'm also like, I feel like completely like numb. Like I feel numb. And I have to say, but at the same time I'm in pain. So it's like I'm numb in certain areas while in pain in others. Does that make any sense? Like I'm having a lot of neuropathy. Like my feet, for instance, complete neuropathy. My hands, neuropathy. The like back of my shoulder blade, neuropathy. But then at my joints, my ankles, my knees. Hell, I could say even the joints on my phalanges, they fucking hurt. So I have a mixture of pain and numb. And I hate having arthritis mixed with fibromyalgia because the neuropathy comes from the fibro, but yet the pain comes from the arthritis. Like, I'm having that electrical shock shit going on today in my body. But yet, like, at the same time, I feel kind of like I'm floating on a cloud. I don't know. Is that the NyQuil? Sounds like diabetes. You know, that is one thing I know that I do not have, because I saw my blood test and it was normal. So, booyah on the diabetes bullshit. Booyah on the diabetes bullshit. I miss my husband. I want my husband. I miss you. I feel like I need mega cuddles.
You want to know what coincides with Georgia's Guidestone blowing up? They just turned CERN on again.
They turned CERN on?
It happened the same time.
So CERN got turned on and the Georgia Guidestones blew up.
Yeah.
There's a portal there.
Evil energy, probably.
Probably.
Very, very blowback.
They probably released something. From the dark pit. That's what CERN is. It creates dark pits, black holes. Dark pits, black holes. Holy shit, dark pits from the dark pit, from the black hole.
From a black hole. The bottomless, it's bottomless.
Yeah, black holes are the bottomless pit.
Where else is bottomless? The center of the earth. The center of the earth, too.
I thought you were waiting for your blood test to come back. Yeah, but you don't get your diabetes test from a regular blood test from your veins. You get it from your finger, man.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, bro.
I had a normal blood sugar, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Are you watching Inuyasha? No.
Not right now.
We should, though.
You want me to put it on?
Stardew and Inuyasha again? My dream.
I'm going to play the Matrix Awakens game again. Just once. That was amazing.
5 hours left for download.
Of course. It's Unreal Engine 5. What do you think? Hi. Ma. I look like a chicken. Like a baby chick. Huh?
Meow, meow, meow. Buck, 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 buck.
Inuyasha, you want me to put it on?
Yeah, he's Inuyasha. And I'm Kagome. We really...
Good boy.
Their fights are just like ours.
I know it. Isn't that crazy?
It is. So I'm going to let you guys go and watch some Inuyasha and play some Stardew, hopefully.
Play some Stardew.
Yeah. Bye.